In this video, we are going to show you how to install Omnisend email marketing and SMS on your Shopify. Now, if you want to install this app on your Shopify, it's actually pretty simple. All you need to do is, of course, you need to be signed into your account. And once you're logged in, look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be your main menu over here. And under apps, right, click on apps like so. This pop-up will appear. There's a search bar here. You want to type in Omnisend. So Omnisend, there we go. And wait for it to load. It's going to be this option here, Omnisend email marketing and SMS. You want to click on this and a new tab will appear on your browser. Just like any other app, you want to click on install like that. Another tab will appear on your browser. So whether or not, sometimes this is all automatically going to be installed, or there's going to be pretty much another wall where you need to click on install again for the last time, pretty much. So after you click on this install, it's going to be installed to your Shopify account, downloaded, installed, and it'll be part of your apps for your account. So let's wait for it to load. There you go. So once you are in this page, you need to create an account. Just fill in everything here that you need for first name, last name, so on and so forth. And after that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.